Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Dropbox account, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Dropbox account, start by signing into your Dropbox account on your preferred web browser. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or initials to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. With the Settings page open, look for the Plan tab. Click on the Plan tab to view your current subscription details. Locate the option that says Cancel Plan or Downgrade. Click on the Cancel Plan link. You may be prompted to select a reason for cancellation. Choose the one that best fits your situation. After selecting a reason, click on Continue. You will be taken to a confirmation page regarding your cancellation. Review the information provided, including any potential consequences of canceling. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking on Confirm Cancellation. You should receive a confirmation email notifying you that your account has been canceled. If you need to delete your account entirely, return to the Settings page. On the Settings page, click on the Delete Account option. Follow the on-screen instructions to permanently delete your account. Take note that this action is irreversible, and you'll lose access to all files stored in Dropbox. Once you confirm the deletion, you will receive an email confirming the account deletion. Keep this email for your records. And that's it. You have successfully canceled your Dropbox account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.